Today I'm going to show you how to move all the email off of your old PSTs and get rid of them. So just a rundown of what a PST is. It's basically an old archive of email that we used to have to use when we had limited space on our email boxes. But that's not an issue now since we have O365 and everything's stored in the cloud. So this is where you go into data files here, and this is where your PSTs are stored. Some folks have 20 of them in here. The best idea would be to get all the mail off of that into your inbox, because these are tied to a physical location on your hard drive. And if your hard drive dies, you're going to lose all that data. While this right here is stored in your Outlook online in the cloud. So this is all backed up. You're never going to lose that email. So basically, you go into your PST. It's pretty easy. You just drag the folder into your inbox or to whatever folder you want to. It's going to ask you this question. You hit yes, and it drags it over. And this is a small folder, so it's pretty quick. But depending on the size, it might take a while because it has to sync up with the cloud and copy everything up there. So just take your time, copy over what you want, and eventually you can disconnect the PST from your computer and get rid of it and free up all that space on your computer. You can delete them off your hard drive. And that's about it. Thanks.